call today, and the person at the other end of the line says, "What's your rate?" I was, "What's your rate?" She goes, "Yeah, what's your mortgage rate? What's the lowest rate you have?" I was, "Hey, let me just introduce myself. What's going on?" She goes, "I just want to know what their interest rate is." I was, I don't know. What are you trying to do?" She goes, "I'm shopping for a mortgage. I need to know the lowest rate. Can you tell me what that is?" Really aggressively. I was, "I don't know. The rate's going to be mid fives, high fives. I don't even know what we're talking about." She goes, "Well, you're the same as everybody else. I got an estimate and I called around and everybody's telling me the same thing." I was like, "The same thing about what? Why don't you do this? Did they email you the estimate?" She goes, "Yeah." "Why don't you forward me that estimate? Give me 10 minutes to look at it and I'll call you back and we'll go over it." She says, "Fine," and basically hangs up. 2 minutes later, the estimate shows up in my email. Now I'm looking at it and I can see she was approved for an FHA loan. So I call her up and I said, "Okay, you've been approved for an FHA loan with 3.5% down. Well, what is your credit like?" She goes, "I have perfect credit. I have high 700s, low 800s. What's your income?" She gives me an income. It's quite a bit of income. I was, "Well, did you just call the other lender and just start asking about rate? Because what they sent you is the loan with the lowest rate, but it's not with the lowest payment." It's quiet. I was, "Listen, FHA loans require 3.5% down. Conventional loans with good credit require only 3% down. The mortgage insurance will be less. And also FHA loans have a funding fee. If you look on this estimate, there's a $7,000 funding fee that you wouldn't have with a conventional loan. If you do a conventional loan, your down payment will be less, your monthly payment will be less, your mortgage insurance will be less, your cash to close will be less, and you won't have to pay this funding fee. It's a better deal for you. Let's do an application and let me give you a real estimate so you can compare. Yeah, the rate might be slightly higher, but everything else is going to be better, and you need to compare more than just the rate."